Isla, mga to sa isla. Say hi. Oy, hi ka mo. Init kayo.
Oy, sapat.
Gusto mo na ito ba? Ganda no? Ay, kalami. Hala! Sino to? Saka naman.
Lang kay
Thank you.
Dua kabalina dadagsa.
Abi sa repre.
Dua kabalina dadagsa.
Abi sa repre. Hello everyone, so we are in the far islands of Bantayan Island and you can find this treasure here. So it's a white sand and it's for free, but you need to travel for an hour and a half before you reach here, and you can find this beach. I'm enjoying now. Nagdapa. Nakadapa si Richard.
Chip, tutok ka na kay suran ka ni
Video.
Kamera pa igwa.
Video ina dong.
Video gen.
Tagang mo sa kang kon gagaw.
Mga classmates.
Ngayon, sa
Ano
tunga
na,
yung
kimo kamo.
anong kamo. Gar! Pagkauna na, Martin Gar.
Sorry.
Martin, ayaw na sa Martin. Ang kanidog.
Dong, aris ka to.
Kung gusto ni Liam, manang.
Ori, pare.
Ang gusto ni Liam.
Amo gani din ano, di nga unta to sa sunod nga mga sakyanan. Bangka-bangka ba?
Dari, set sa rayam, tagura yam.
Alipin ka na. We are in an island, in Bantayan Island. Look at the water. How clear is that water? Kita niyo yan? Clear. We're saying goodbye to this beautiful island. Bye! Ayan na, uwian na. Baka kasi anuhan ng dagat. Maliitan, hindi pwede. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Andy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Taiwan,
From Taiwan.
Republic of China.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
And why are you here in Bantayan Island?
We are girl traveling
Oh, how did you find Bantayan, by the way?
on Google Map.
Then how did you find Bantayan Island?
Huh?
I mean, how is it? How was your vacation?
I think it's very good and the Polo Island, and which is better than Oslo.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You've gone to Oslo also?
Yeah. Maybe 8 years ago.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So you've been in the Philippines many times?
Yeah. This time is maybe 4 times.
You're 4 times. So how is it then? Your 4th time here in the Philippines. How is it?
I think
Are you still enjoying?
still enjoying, and it changed a lot.
Yeah.
it changed
Of
a
course,
lot.
from 80 years, of
Yeah,
course,
eight-
it has
8
been.
years ago.
But I'm happy you're here in our small island.
Huh?
I'm happy you're here in our small island.
Oh.
How many days have you been here?
How many days. We spend 2 days in Cebu City, and we plan to spend 3 days in Bantayan Island.
This is your first day?
No, second day.
This is the second day. Okay.
And tomorrow we'll go back to Cebu City.
Okay. So, what did you like here in Bantayan?
The most thing that I like, I think, is the cake.
I know, that's my favorite too. It's called Maso de Mercedes.
Cheap and it's better than the you know.
How it
delicious.
is made, yeah.
And I think you know like that.
The cake,
No.
the halo. How about the halo?
The bread. The bread. We think it is more like we ate in Japan.
Yeah, the Japanese, what do you call it? Cheesecake, yeah?
Yeah. It's like
It's soft and light.
Soft and the outside is crispy and
The inside is soft.
Yeah.
Okay. How about the people? How do you find the people?
People is nice.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank
yeah,
you.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
So, have you gone around the whole island?
Yeah. Just came back.
That's good. Okay. Thank you very much for coming to
Okay,
Bantayan.
thanks.
I hope you're coming back soon again.
Okay. I will. Maybe next year with my girlfriend.
Oh, that's good. Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Appreciate it.